Welcome to my channel,
Sometimes it's
King
good
LDN
silent
LDN. This video, guys, is all about being one with nature,
relax.
silencing the mind, and just relaxing, just breathing.
Thank you, Jesus.
Breathing out, spitting out nature, enjoying the sounds of the birds, tweeting, and it's just so relaxing, soothing. Yes, just being one with nature, being outside in the wilderness, per se. It's relaxing and calming, and enjoying different scenery. Stepping out of your comfort zone and just being relaxed and feeling peace, inner peace, zen. It's your boy each and every time, King LDN LDN. Then like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you and your family. Blessings, peace, harmony. Give thanks. Being one with nature, just enjoying it. Different sounds of, the birds and like hearing fountains, the water coming up and then flowing. It's nice, it's peaceful, it's serene, it's serenity, it's beautiful. Make you feel in awe. As you breathe in. Breathe in. Exhale. Yes. Feels so good. Calm the mind. Nature. There's no nature. It's peace. It is nice. It's beautiful. Embrace peace. The birds tweeting, the ducks, the swans, the herrings, nature, bees, and all flowers. Yes, it's nice, beautiful, it is serene. Yes, enjoy. And I am enjoying. Yes, enjoy with me, guys. It's ooh. Peace. Blessings, peace, and harmony. In the name of the Most High. God bless you and your family. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. King LDN LDN. Blessings, guys. Each and every time. Yes. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Kingldnldntm. Outside one with nature. Yes, it feels so beautiful to be out here. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice, relax, peace, inner peace. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kingldnldntm. So much more to come. Check me out, guys, on YouTube and also Instagram. Same name, Kingldnldntm. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Affirmations. Leap of faith. All things through Christ are possible. Believe, believe, believe.